Right folks, today we have a little treat from Morrisons. This cost £2.89 and it is new from Bird's Eye. It's a spinach and ricotta tortelloni with veg and pesto. Sounds quite good and it seemed quite interesting. You steam it in the bag. I see it's got little vent holes over there. They had a couple of different flavors available. No particular reason I chose this one. They all look pretty good, to be honest. But let's have a closer look quickly. Claims to be new. There is the serving suggestion. They've just got it in a dish. Again, there's that little vent. Steam in the bag, 8 minutes in the microwave. I believe that's 900 watt. We'll have a closer look at the cooking instructions. There is the traffic light system. So the meal is going to set you back 304 calories. We have 1 amber and 3 greens. That's one of the better ones we've had on the channel in terms of the traffic light system. Here is the back of the packaging, just some more information about it really. All the interesting bits are across here. We do have a little blurb which says cooked tortelloni filled with spinach and ricotta with mixed vegetables in a creamy basil pesto sauce. Sounds pretty good. We also have the ingredients, which is 26% full pasta and 20% pesto sauce. Here are the full cooking instructions. It gives you the numbers for the different wattages. I've got a 900 watt microwave, so it's basically pop it in the microwave for 4 minutes, give it a gentle shake and put it in for another 4 minutes, then let it sit for a minute before opening and serving. There is the full nutritional information for the folks that want it, and that's the packaging. As I said, it sounded like an interesting meal in a bag. I don't know why I'm so curious about it. Let's find out if it's good. I'm going to go pop this in the microwave and I'll get back to you when you're ready for some eating. Right folks, this is our bag meal fresh out the microwave. Almost said air fryer there for a second. Let's get a closer look. It does look good, except the dodgy green color of the pesto sauce. But it does look good. I'll give it that much. It does look inviting. It's got some fresh, vibrant colors in there. And of course, I'm serving it with some garlic bread, because why not? Right, I'm liking the look of these courgettes. I want to try one of them. Yeah, they properly cooked all the way through. I guess the sauce is pretty much just a pesto flavor. Right, but let's see. I guess what we really want to see is what the actual pasta is like. Tortelloni, whatever it is. It's stuffed with spinach and ricotta. It sounds good. The ricotta inside it is quite nice. The little bit that you get, it adds a nice bit of flavor to it. But the tortelloni itself is, the texture is wrong. It's quite tough and like squishy between the teeth. Let's try some of the veg. There's a good forkful of veg right there. It's nice. The veg is quite enjoyable. Nice mixture of brightly colored veg in here. And the veg is all properly cooked through. Nice and hot out the microwave. This tortelloni though is a bit, I don't know, it's a bit, let me try another piece, see if it gets better as we go. I can't make my mind up about it. It's a bit, it would be nice if there was a bit of a bit more filling inside it. Yeah, I think it would be nice. I'm liking all the flavors of the veg, the pesto sauce. The pasta is letting it down a bit. The rest of it, these tortelloni things, not really enjoying them that much. Can't quite place my finger on it. The texture's a bit squishy and they don't like pack a punch of flavor. But the rest of the dish is pretty good. The rest of the dish, no complaints. I'm enjoying the rest of it. Some really good veg there. Now, obviously, towards the end of the meal, the idea is there's a lot of juices on the plate. Which is why we have the garlic bread. So let's see how the pesto sauce hits on the garlic bread. Oh yes, that's good. That right there is a good time. Bit of a mixed feeling about this one. I guess I'd say this is a 3-star experience. The pasta does let it down quite a bit. The rest of the dish is pretty good. I'm especially enjoying the courgettes. The veg is very good. The pasta lets it down. 3-star experience overall. Adding the garlic bread to lap up the juices at the end was a fine idea. Although this wasn't the greatest, I'm still interested in trying some of the other ones that they had. They had some interesting looking flavors. Hopefully the pasta in those offerings is better than what it is in this one. But at this point, as usual, I'm just over talking it, so I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.